First off, I promise that was the only clip in this video that you will see me dancing. I can't make the same promise for the next one, but for now, that video is a little bit of a secret. I am traveling with my wife at the end of March and a couple of friends, so stay tuned for that. I filmed a majority of this video with a GoPro that I recently acquired, so if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave me a comment. I basically stuck to the default settings, which is just like a wide orientation, which I thought looked really nice, but if you have any further recommendations, please feel free, let me know. Lastly, I'd like to thank Dynatrace for having me out, and I hope you enjoy the video. I always like to start my videos off with a quick airplane montage. I flew Air Canada and didn't have anyone sitting beside me, so a little bit of extra leg room is always appreciated. I also had to binge watch Arya Hotel on my way down since everyone was talking about it. It was a great show. I really enjoyed it as far as adult animations go, so if that's your thing, I would recommend it. It was a super clear flight and the GoPro was really able to capture the curvature of the Earth, which was super cool to see, as well as flying over the Grand Canyon on a clear day was fantastic. Here I am walking up to the Arya Hotel. It was a beautiful resort, slightly different from last year's venue, which was the Cosmo, so it was, I would say, significantly bigger. I may have gotten lost a couple times. Here's a quick little walk through the casino before I realized you shouldn't be filming inside one. Heading up to my room, it was super spacious. The bathroom was massive. Little frosted glass where the toilet area was, his and her sinks, dual sinks, tub in with the shower, tons of closet space, big room, king size bed, and probably my favorite feature would be the tablet, which I'll show here in a minute, that controls the whole room. Temperature, lighting, the curtains, which I was a little too obsessed with, playing with them, opening them up and closing them over and over again. So you'll see that as I get up tomorrow morning. And here's my view, not bad. I like taking the opportunity on day one to get familiar with the venue, such as finding out where the main hall is, where my training sessions are going to be for the next day, where the breakout sessions are going to be, and then just getting familiar with who's there. Got some swag from Dynatrace already. Nice water bottle with some AWS on there. Classic Dynatrace Perform t-shirt. Now that I'm settled in, I like to head over to the main strip, specifically the Bellagio Fountain, to catch one of their evening shows because I just love seeing it lit up at night, and then just the environment of the Bellagio just can't be beat. Day 2 for me at the conference was mostly a training day. My first class focused on Dynatrace workflows, really getting into automation of IT tasks, which many of you may know is a super hot topic these days. I know I definitely want to get more comfortable using AI for work, and even in my personal life when working on these videos, it's definitely something that more people should be utilizing. Let's wrap on day 2 of the Dynatrace Perform 2024 conference. I had a fantastic day. I got to attend 2 hands-on training sessions, as well as spend some time with some colleagues at their reception tonight. Ate way too much food, and now I need to head to the gym to burn some of this off. See you tomorrow. I really wanted to check out the Sphere since it wasn't operating the last time I came to Las Vegas. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to attend a show inside, but even seeing it from the outside was totally wild. So this was an absolute must for me this trip. I have seen so many videos covering the Omega Mart at Area 15, and of course I went to check it out. Without giving away too much, it's basically an interactive art exhibit with all these secret passages and a whole story to go along with the facility. I think the idea has to do with interdimensional aliens or something like that, but I didn't have time to figure it all out. You can definitely easily spend a couple of hours in this place if you want to do the whole story scavenger hunt, and this was only one of the sections of Area 15.
All these rooms are bizarre. This might be my favorite so far because it changes the longer you stay in them. This is just too weird.
Well, that's a wrap on Perform 2024 in Las Vegas. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just got back from the final party. It was way more than I expected. I didn't get a chance to go last year, so the fact that I got to attend the celebration party at the end today was incredible. For a bunch of nerds, they throw a hell of a party. And we even got to dance and party it up with Burned a little bit, which is pretty cool, considering he's the founder of Dynatrace. That's wild. So thanks to Dynatrace for having us out, and hopefully I get the chance to come back next year. See ya.